Good day and welcome back. Today we are going to make an Italian classic, tiramisu. It is delicious, it is easy, and if you're going to invite some friends over, it will be the perfect dessert. For this recipe, we are going to use some eggs, mascarpone, sugar, strong coffee, coffee liqueur, vanilla, and of course, ladyfingers. So let's put everything together. Very easy. To begin with, we're going to separate the eggs, the white from the yolk. To begin with, we need to beat the eggs. So let's start with the white. The eggs has to be so stiff that you can turn the bowl around without it falling out of the bowl. For this next step, we need to beat the egg yolks. We have to put some vanilla in it. So just take a strand of vanilla, approximately 1/3. And for this recipe, we're going to use 65 grams of sugar. There you are. Now it's time for some beating again. Now that they have a very nice consistency, stop beating and it's time to put in the mascarpone. So for this we are going to use 250 grams of mascarpone. So at first, just turn in a couple of spoonfuls. And then we can put in the rest. When it's beginning to look uniform, all combined, all smooth and delicious, it's time to beginning to add the egg whites. And just like the mascarpone, we're going to take just a slight bit of the egg white and stir it in. After we've done that, we're going to take the rest of the egg white and carefully turn it in so we don't whip out all the air. And now it's almost ready. And now it's time to assemble the tiramisu. Going to do that by taking very strong Italian espresso. Mix it in with a coffee liqueur. You can leave that out if you don't want the liqueur inside of it, but it's very nice. Just stir it around. And now it's time to dip the lady's fingers into the mix. So just a quick dip, don't let them soak because you don't want them to be soggy. And now it's time to put the first layer of custard on. Second layer of ladyfingers. And now it's time for the final layer. And now it's time to sprinkle it with some cocoa. And there you are, an Italian tiramisu. So now it's time to let it rest. We have to put it in the fridge for approximately 4 hours, and then it's ready to taste. So see you in 4 hours. Now it has been 4 hours and our tiramisu is ready. It looks very nice and delicious.
I'm looking really forward to taste it. It's one of my favorite dessert dishes.
So have a taste.
Nice and fluffy. Cheers.
Wow. This is very delicious. So if you have a friend over, make this as a dessert. It's very easy. And until next time, have a good one.
Easy peasy.
Bye.
Bye.